this one right here, this for all my ladies out there that's being used as punching bags. Girl, you need to look in the mirror and tell yourself that you are beautiful, beautiful. You don't have to go through those things, girl. Don't you know that your mama loved you and your daddy loved you? Maybe somebody loved you in the wrong way, but don't take that wrong way. Did you hear it in my voice when I told you I love you? Didn't you hear it in my voice as it became louder with each passing word, calling you out of your name? I know they say that love doesn't hurt, but how else could I show it? The only way I know how is to watch you bounce off these walls.
Baby, I'm sorry,
walk around
I'll never
used
do
and
it again.
abused. Tell you I'm sorry, and it will never happen again. At least for a couple of days or the next sip of beer, and then you're right back to being his rag doll. Even though I said it once, please catch it before the end. Love doesn't hurt. While you sit there telling yourself he'll change, but the only thing changing is the angle of his swing, and that his love has increased as he tells you that you can never leave, because the only way out is death. Really today, you never know. Too many guys saying it, too many guys doing it. Really once was too many. The first hit, too much. The verbal abuse should have been a clue, but you didn't see the sign. He would never be that way, but he always seems to be that way. A new relationship, his fresh start, his romantic ways was just a cover. 6 months later, he reveals the truth, controlling, possessive, and maybe the worst of all, abusive. However, I'm telling you that love doesn't hurt. Love may be holding hands, but it's not holding hands while he drags you off the mall, take you out of sight and beat you down, take you home and says he's sorry, then tell you how you did it to yourself, force him to get mad, and you knows what happens when he gets mad. Why couldn't you just be his puppet on the string and just do as he says? Why couldn't you just do as I say and remember these words? Love doesn't hurt, love doesn't hurt. And if it does, pray and find shelter. I'm doing this one for my woman right now. Yo, I have seen personally up close have to deal with, you know what I mean, on a family level, that nonsense, man. It's just nonsense. I know a lot of dudes that put their hands on a woman, but when it come to putting their hands on a dude, they run quick for a tool, talking about how hard they is. You hard to beat a woman, but you ain't hard to put your hands on a man. Sound like straight to me, you know what I mean? Look. If a man say he love you, somebody say he love you, you know what the person told me? Love don't hurt. When your mama loved you, did her love hurt? When your closest friend loved you, did her love hurt? Now, I know I got to be careful asking these questions, because sometimes you got enemy in your closest friends. Watch yourself. But I'm just saying, what's your self-worth? You are worth a value of a punching bag. That's your life. You was determined to be standing still and see your life. See them blows coming to you and stand there and take them like that's your life. What you really worth though? Huh? You know they said they got $2 hoes, so I guess a $2 hoe is just worth $2. But I mean, I can't really put a price on my life. I got one shot at this just like you do. I'm trying to make that shot count, you know what I mean? That's why I'm in here and doing what I do. But it ain't just that, I'm trying to spread a message to you. Make you think about what yourself is worth, see yourself, and then that you be worth something. That's just real. I ain't got time to tell you that I'm on the block hustling, cause I don't wanna see you on the block hustling. Don't do what I do, don't wear my shoes. I ain't gonna tell you that I'm walking around here with a tool in my belt, you know, and I want to see you carrying some tools in your belt too, talking about some you a man. Sound like straight to me, you know what I mean? I ain't got the cuss, you know what they say? They say a man who got the cuss ain't got the balls to say what he got to say. But I got big cojones, you know what I mean? I'm coming to you for real. Why somebody want to see you do what they doing? What they doing ain't getting them nowhere. All these rappers talking about, you know, we got guns, we got girls. Man, look, I done ran through one. It ain't funny. You ain't thinking about what you gonna do when you get up. But I bet you if you get HIV, you be like, damn, what was I thinking? These women that's out here getting these hands put on them. If your kids see you die, what you gonna say? Besides nothing. But if you could stand up out your body and look at yourself, you gonna say, damn, what was you thinking? Who gonna raise my kid? Who gonna make sure that he gets the love and attention I would've gave him? Nobody. Cause you let a man put his hands on you, telling you that you ain't about nothing. I can control you, talking about it's your fault. But you ask him though, and y'all know I'm for real on this one. I done seen women cry, talking about some please, 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 I love him, don't hurt him. It's my fault. What could you possibly do to make a man beat you till you black and blue? When he could've just walked out the door. I hope I ain't saying this for nothing. I'm trying to reach those who's still in it. See, the ones who done been there and came out of it, they gon' feel it. Talking about how real it is. But I want you to play this for your girlfriend who's in that predicament right now. And ask her what she works. You just work that frustration being relieved, that tension go get her, that easy stream. I'ma put my hands on you cause I can't do it no other kind of way. Tell him go to Walmart and buy him a $99 punching bag. He ain't got $99, I got it for him. Just keep your hands off of her, talking about how much you love her. And women, stop taking that, you know what I mean? Cause y'all really do need to come up. I mean, I'm telling you all queens, I mean for real, I call myself a king, and what good is a king without a queen? But I do not want a court jester. I can laugh any day, but don't play yourself. So, you know, we're gonna end it on a positive note and help that, you know, when y'all hear this track right here, it really do reach you. Cause this is home. Show enough.